Okay, today I'm so excited to unbox with you my newest Mlouye, and this actually is an exchange for another one I bought. I had the Mlouye Sera Tote, which I actually have a few Mlouye bags. I will link those below for you to watch next. It is a brand I found last year and love their unique designs, quality, colors, just everything about it. I've been really happy, but the mini was too mini for me. So nothing wrong with it, just not practical for me. And so I wanted to exchange it for the regular size one. And I will tell you, the exchange process was really great. I reached out to them. They sent a DHL slip. DHL came to my house, picked it up, took it back, all great. And then I ordered the one that I wanted, so they gave me a store credit. It was on back order, so I had to wait a little bit longer, but it is here and I cannot wait to see it. So hopefully I love the color and size of this one. Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my newest Mlouye unboxing. And Mlouye is a brand that I found last year, and as soon as I started going on the site, fell in love. I actually own several and I purchased all of them with my own money, and I just love the designs. They're so unique. I'm totally into purses. I think, purses can really spice up an outfit. Because I do wear a lot of neutrals, I kind of like a little more interest in either my purse or shoes. And so I'm kind of always on the lookout for really neat purses. I will say it's a mid-range price. So their bags are mostly, I would say anywhere from like $200 to $600, I think. So definitely not the cheapest. I do also pick up less expensive purses from other places. So check those hauls out as well. And then also luxury brand ones. So I kind of look at the whole gamut of options out there and really just pick what I like and kind of what stands out to me. So if you're interested to see my thoughts on this bag, first impressions, what fits inside, all that good stuff, then let's do that now. And I just love how they ship it, how it's presented. So this is obviously when you order it for yourself, it feels like you're getting a gift. But if you were going to give this to, your mom, grandma, auntie, your daughter, I think how it comes packaged, you could definitely send it as a gift as well. I really love when brands package things nicely. Okay, so it comes in this really lovely, kind of a thick cotton, dust bag, which I really like. I would say this is probably like one of the nicer ones. And, I order purses from all kinds of brands. So, and the drawstrings are really nice as well. So let's see what I picked this time. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the Sera Tote in the color Shark, which I can see. So it has a few different shades of gray. I would say at least at first sight, 3 different shades of gray, which I love. So a really light one here, a little darker. So then 3, 4. So 4, maybe 4. And first impressions, I love the color scheme here and I love the size. So this size is certainly gonna be more appropriate for me. I mean, this would be a small to medium size bag for me. So I guess the other one does say mini, it is mini. But let's take a deeper look. Okay, I had to take the packaging off and things, but it does have a little leather care tag that comes on it on how to take care of it. And it's pretty much like all leather care. And then it does come with a shoulder strap as well, which this is a perfect size for me to wear crossbody or on my arm. So I really like that. And I will say the newer designs, because I own a few of these now, do have the side hardware that opens, which I really like. So you don't have to take the pins, you know, you don't have to get them off and on of there, which can be a little difficult. The back is flat, and then it has the little button, which I like this design better than the buckles. So buckles are big, and then they kind of have it, the ends flappy. So I really like how this is all sleek and tucked all nice like that, as you can see. So this would just go on there. So really, really cute. I love it. So the top is mostly open, and like a lot of their designs, it has this suede bag that you can close like that. So no zipper, it's got the bag, and then you can kind of just tuck this down in there if you want to enclose your items. But I usually just leave it open, but you can close it and kind of tuck everything in there like that. So that's one option to secure your items, or you could really leave it open and up. You could tie these and just wear it like that, which is cute as well. It smells like leather. I like that smell. And this one in particular, I really thought was cute because it can pop out and then just have a really kind of wider look like that. So you can fit a little more items in it, and just a different look. I love how these are kind of transformers. I think it's really neat. So, and then I think this also looks wonderful as well. And then the variation in the side right there, kind of a 3D look, is also very neat as well. Let's see, as far as branding, okay, so this one, let me make sure, because sometimes I don't see it right away. This one does not have any on any of the sides or on the straps. It is just on the bottom there, and no feet on here, which I never set my purses down anyway. I actually use a purse hook, and I put them in my purses, you know, as I'm moving things along. That way, if I'm, you know, out eating, I don't like to hang it on the back of my chair or set it anywhere. I usually just will hook it on the table like that, and it just kind of sits like right there, and I don't have to worry about it. So the inside, oh, the inside's suede. So their other ones were, I can't remember if the other ones were or not, but this one feel, I think what they do on the inside is they have a man-made suede, so it doesn't stain like the upper. So the upper is probably real suede, the outside is real leather, and the inside is a man-made suede so that you can wipe it down. So if you spill makeup in there or your lipstick, you can get it off, which is nice. And I would say these sides, not the front and back, but the sides and bottom are structured. So it is a harder backed leather piece. And then of course, these panels move in and out, which is really nice. The handles are really pretty as well. Not a whole lot of movement. They kind of are where they are, and I actually like the size. I actually really like that these are thinner. So the handles are thinner and the strap is thinner. On the back of the button, it does say Mlouye as well. And these are adjustable. So there are several button places where you can place it. So if you want it, you know, longer or shorter. I'm pretty tall, so I usually opt for the longest, and that's how it came. So I will leave it like that. And then I like that the hardware is kind of a brushed metal. So it's not that real shiny gold. It's more muted, which I think looks lovely. And it does have the name brand on there as well. Okay, so let's see what fits inside. So this is actually the small Dior DJoy. And I've been using this a lot. I actually got it for myself for my birthday. Interesting story, which I'm gonna tell one day, but they sent me the wrong purse originally. So let's see what fits. The items that I normally carry, my wallet, which is pretty big. Oh, let me get a phone. Okay, I had to grab a phone because I actually use my phone to record, so. But this is the iPhone 15, just a regular. So you can see my wallet is bigger than that. And then all my key stuff. I actually want to get a key holder when I go on vacation soon. I think I'm gonna go look because I don't have any like big stores near me. I have the potpourri, which I always carry, a lip gloss, which I use, a purse hanger. So this was what I would, and then this, I went to a restaurant, and so I kind of keep that in there if needed, but I love these. So these hooks will hold your purse on any like bar table or table when you're eating out, anything if you're out and about, and I really love these, so I always keep these in my purses as well. But as you can see, everything fits very easily. This is, I would say, a good size purse, and then of course you can close it up if needed, and really cute. All right, that was my unboxing and review on the Sera Tote, which I love. I'm glad I traded it in for this size. This is gonna work a whole lot better for me. If I left any information out that you would wanna know, go ahead and comment that below. Check out the other designs that they have, my other reviews on their channel. If you are in the market for one of these, I recommend them. I think they're beautiful, unique. I always get so many compliments on these when I wear them out because most people haven't seen them out and about. And I actually love that. I love that they're unique enough that they're just not everywhere. So that's pretty cool. I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you come back and visit me in the next one.